I'm not ashamed about it, but leads and sales bought me all this barbecue equipment behind me. It bought me this Patek Philippe. And if there's one thing that I'm really good at, it's turning leads into customers. No matter what industry that you're in, whether you're in construction, consultancy, education, cosmetics, dentistry, you will need to convert your leads into sales. If you don't, you will end up having a bunch of email addresses and mobile phone numbers and followers that don't buy from you. So I'm going to teach you inside the next 5 to 7 minutes, the most important thing you need to focus on right now to generate more sales. And guess what? It's not about posting more hook, viral based content. So everybody is really good at creating content, whether that's short form content, reels, YouTubes, emails, LinkedIn posts. Content leads to leads. And leads are people that look at your stuff and show some form of interest. I define a lead as somebody that gives me their personal details to access something. I don't look at a lead as a new follower. I look at that as somebody with fleeting interest because somebody can quickly unfollow and follow again. I look at a lead as somebody that is giving me their name, their email address, and their phone number. They have given away private details to access something. And eventually what happens is it leads to a sale. However, there is a huge gap. And this gap is where every business owner makes the biggest mistake of all time. We used to spend a lot of money on advertising, putting out lead magnets, application forms, appointment forms, surveys, free guides, free video guides, workshops, events, and we would get hundreds, if not thousands of leads, like name, email, mobile number. And guess what? We would run one campaign to the next, to the next, to the next, to the next. Now, I don't know what that campaign is going to be for you, but it's going to be some kind of campaign event. It might even be a live event workshop. It might even be a PDF download. It might be a webinar. It might be a workshop. It might be an application score app kind of thing. Doesn't matter. Regardless, people opt in or go and visit or take manual time, effort, and energy to go and look at the thing, do the thing, whatever it is. That is a sign of intent. If I give you my personal details, it's literally like when you go to a relationship in business, and you go to a mastermind event, and you meet somebody that's a potential collab or a potential point of interest, you exchange numbers, right? As soon as a lead comes into your system, there's 3 things that you need to do. Number 1, you need to acknowledge the lead. Say hi, talk to them. Don't just let them exist. This can be done with an autoresponder. This can be done with a manual reach out. It can be done in whatever way, shape, or form. Always remember this, in a day of AI where everything can be automated with ManyChat and automated emails, the manual outreach is far more effective. Always remember, if it's harder to do in marketing, the chances of everybody else doing it are slim. And if you do it, you're going to stand out. And people will value that time, effort, and intention to connect. The second thing is to strike a conversation and essentially ask them why they opted in, why they came, what they need help with. If I have clicked on an advert, if I have gone to your open day, if I have joined your waiting list, if I have rang up to know the price of something, POA, I'm genuinely interested. Can you let me know the reason why you opted in the first place? We're doing a little bit of research, or we want to figure out how to help you. Well, I actually opted in because I'm struggling with, or I don't like, or I want to have. There's a need. And then that presents the opportunity for an offer. And this is what you call lead development. And lead development is essentially lead nurture, where you are building the relationship with the lead. The biggest mistake that founders are making with their marketing right now is that they're putting a lot of money into ads, a lot of money into brand promotion, generating loads of leads, but they aren't developing the leads. And the only way to develop the leads is to acknowledge them, start a conversation with them, and make an offer. So let me give you a very clear example. Let's say I run an online workshop, and that online workshop is around how to solve a big problem that my market has, or it's a big reveal of something that I'm launching. It could be a car, it could be anything. I put up an advert to say, would you like to come? Would you like to register? Whenever I register, it showcases that I am interested in attending and learning and essentially getting some form of tangible result. It doesn't matter about the subject material. I have reached out to a lead, struck a conversation and made an offer. And the amount of money that you make in your business is down to the amount of offers that you make. And we do this with every lead that engages in our system. We want to talk to them. We want to find out, what do you need help with? We want to send them assets. We want to see if we can help them. We want to make them genuine offers if we can help them. And if you don't do that, here's what happens. You end up in this constant flywheel of producing more and more and more content, spending more and more money on ads, only just to add more lonely leads to a big list or CRM that never get outreached. I was actually working with a friend's business last month, and they run a interior design business, and they regularly run open nights that run through new launches, new ideas. They invite people and they have champagne and they have a little bit of a chat and all this kind of stuff. And they were bringing a load of people in and they were just advertising it in socials. But here's what they weren't doing. They weren't collecting details. So they had nobody to follow up with and engage. And as a result, they were putting on this night and just hoping somebody would see a piece of furniture on the floor or hoping somebody would buy. So if you're listening to an influencer online about how to get more hooks and how to get more visibility, all that is okay. It's like baseline. You need to get visibility and you need to do content, but that's not the thing that's going to make you rich. The thing that's going to make you rich is interacting and engaging and developing your leads, no matter what industry that you're in. And every single client that we have been working with inside Expansion Partners, we look at where they get leads from, we look at what's sitting on their system, and we look at how to activate them, how to engage them, and how to build unique strategies around how to get them to say, I'm interested in booking an appointment to talk further about how you can help me. And that is how you get more out of your leads. That is how you get more out of your ad spend. That is how you make more profit. That is how you generate more results. That is how you generate future demand. And that's what you need to know about lead generation right now, right here. Plug that into your business, click subscribe, make sure you follow this channel because I am sharing all the grainy, hyper tactical insights on how to think, how to build an amazing quality service and product, right the whole way on how to turn your leads into sales faster than ever. See you in the next video.